Climb inside the 2013 Lexus RX 350. Under the hood, you'll find a 6-cylinder engine with more than 270 horsepower. And for added security, Dynamic Stability Control supplements the drivetrain. Lexus prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including a rear window wiper, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, automatic dimming door mirrors, heated and ventilated seats, a power liftgate, and power front seats. Everything is where it ought to be, from the dashboard controls to the door locks and window controls. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 12 speakers, ensuring optimal sound no matter where you're seated. Lexus ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as front and rear side impact airbags, a security system, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.